Hello and welcome to the Extracurricular Dictionaries, and you are watching the ECD Gaming. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your mobile Android phone into a webcam for a PC. Yes, you heard correctly. How you can turn your mobile Android phone into a webcam for your PC. So now you don't need to convince your father that father, my online classes are going on, so I need a webcam urgently now. So this is a easy method how you can turn your mobile Android phone into a webcam for your PC. So stick together with us until the end of the video because every steps matter. So let's start. At first you have to do that. Just go to Play Store, open it up, open the search bar, and search for IV webcam. Here it is on the top of the options. You can see that IV webcam. So click onto it. Now I've already installed it, so you will have to install it first. Now after installing, the first stage of your mobile is done. Now we'll go to the PC. So now all of you do that, just follow me. So open the Google Chrome on your PC. So it is opening, it will take a little time. So now you may get the link in the description too, or you may follow this while I'm doing. Just write download IV for PC. So just put enter. Then here will come a tab. You will see that there will be IBC from the www.e2soft.com. Then click onto it. So it will be showing after a few seconds. So it has been loaded. Now you can see that here is the interface. So if you're using Windows, then click here. So it's loading the download option. So you can see in the bottom left that it is downloading. The IV is being downloaded. So now wait a little bit before it downloads. It's only 17 MB. So in Doron, so now I think it will take some time. So you have to wait, just wait. So we can do nothing but waiting. Mm, Now I think it is almost done. Yes, completed. It is. So now just minimize it. Go to your uh, personal account folder. Now go to the downloads. Here you can see that where it is. It is the webcam setup. You can see IV webcam. I have downloaded twice, so it is showing that in bracket 1. So just click on the one you want to run, then select setup language English, then click on to OK. As my setup is uh, installed earlier, so it's showing that. So I'll do again, no problem. So I've it is no, I have a shortcut already. Yes, create shortcut. The next, install. It is uninstalling the older versions. So let's wait. Let's do first. So it is done. Is it done? No, not yet done. So we have to wait a bit. The driver is being installed. So it is done. So if you don't need to run from here, then uncheck the box, then finish it. So now you will find where icon here, shortcut. So open it up. So now I have to know the processes of connection of the IV cam. So there are two processes to connect with IV cam. One is through Wi-Fi. So to use Wi-Fi connection through Wi-Fi, you must connect your PC with the Wi-Fi, and you must connect your Android mobile phone with the same Wi-Fi. Otherwise, it will not work. Now, if your PC don't have any type of inbuilt Wi-Fi or any Wi-Fi machine, then no need to worry. I am here. So use your USB cable for connection. Connect the USB cable to your PC. Then go to the settings. If you are a developer, it is no problem. If you are not a developer, then go to system in about phone. In about phone there will be such a, like, in my device I am using coolpad cool 5, your long coolpad cool 5. So it is that build number. I have to click it 7 times to being a developer. So I'm a developer now. Then what I will do, that go back and search for USB debugging. Now search it for USB debugging. Now on the top option you go to USB debugging. Now I have earlier on it the USB debugging, so it is no problem. You can also enable this. It is USB debugging, the debug mode when USB is connected. So whenever you connect the USB, you don't have to uh, enable the USB debugging for every time. If you enable this option, whenever you connect the USB, it will enable itself. Now it is done. Now go to the IV cam. So it is connecting. Now it is so you can see that I have connected my device. I have connected it. Now I am showing you using another mobile phone that it is done or not. So now you can see that it is my mobile phone which I am using as the webcam. Now I'll show you the interface of, oh sorry, now I will show you the interface of your of my PC, sorry. So watch it out. Okay, so here is my PC and it is my webcam. Sorry, it is the Android phone, but now it is being used as a webcam. So you can see that in the right there is my computer screen and here it is my mobile screen. So now you can see that it is working properly. So now you don't need any webcam more. So hope you like the video and smash the like button because it's free, and give a comment to us and help us to grow. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you again from ECD. Goodbye.